If you are looking for a great laptop charger for your Dell, you're absolutely going to love this. I'll go through everything. So this is the battery pack right over here. It's going to come in this box right over here. So you'll see we open this box right here. The charger comes inside right over here. We're going to get a cord right over here, so a power cord. All these come with Velcro, which is super helpful. This is going to be perfect for your XPS 17 series. It's also going to be great for the XPS 15 series, the Latitude series, and the Precision series. Also comes with this helpful manual that shows you exactly how to set this up. Super easy though. All we're going to do is we're going to plug this right over here. We're going to just take this, we put this into here just like that, and we are good to go. And then we're just going to plug this into the wall, and we're going to plug this piece into our laptop. Really, really well made. Like the fact, again, that these come with Velcro, so you could easily take them with you. Easy to travel with. You'll see here a little bit more information about the battery right over here. It is 20 volts. I personally like to have chargers wherever I go. So I have one in my office, and I also have one that I carry around with me. So if you lost your charger for your Dell, or you would like a second one or need a replacement one, definitely check this out. It works really, really well.